Whoa now. Natural food and roots tradition. The Ital Messengers chant wisdom tonight. Ital vibration flowing through the nation. Roots and culture bring healing sensation. Herbs in the garden, fire meditation. Rasta people rising through creation. Whoa. Hey. Whoa now. Steam from the pot and the coconut rice. Living clean and humble feel twice as nice. Babylon system selling pies in fast, but roots man wisdom still built to last. Grandmother cooking by the riverside. Call a loose simmer with the moonlight tide. Children dancing while the elders pray. Ancient African spirit never fade away. Ital vibration moving through the soul. Natural living make the people whole. Music and wisdom carrying control. Jah love deeper than silver and gold. Oh now. Oh now. Oh. Too much chemicals in the city food, turning good people into angry mood. But the farmers still protect the earth, teaching every child their true worth. Roots tonic bubbling in a clay cup. Even when the pressure rise, we never give up. Traditional fire still blazing bright, guiding the youth through the darkest night. No fast food can replace tradition. Natural living is the real revolution. From the mountains down to the shore, roots and culture forever endure. Ital vibration forever strong, passing through generations long. Jah guide the people through every storm. Roots reggae, keeping hearts warm. From the hills to the shoreline, the revival begin tonight. Riverstone Revival, hear the drum beat call. Roots reggae music unite one and all. Fire upon corruption, let Babylon fall. Jah kingdom rising, standing tall. Na 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 na, hey. Na 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 na, hey. Hey. Dusty vinyl spinning in the old dance hall. Selectors chanting through the midnight call. Rubber dub echoes to the countryside. Roots revival carrying truth worldwide. Youngsters searching for a better way, trying to survive another stressful day. But old school wisdom still remain, like sunshine breaking through the rain. Riverstone Revival shaking the land. Consciousness is spreading unto one. Bassline heavy like thunder roll. Reggae music healing every soul. Tree, talking about how life used to be. Community spirit slowly disappear. Too much fear in the atmosphere. Still the music keep the fire alive, giving broken hearted people strength to survive. From shaking the ground. Truth and justice rising high like smoke signals in the sky. Riverstone Revival, revival tonight. Hey. Riverstone Revival tonight, keeping the culture burning bright. Jam music never fade away. Roots and culture here for stay. Listen closely. Hear the streets speaking. Poor man cry, but nobody hear. Politicians smiling every election year. Mama working hard just to pay the rent. Stretch the little money spent. Children hungry in a concrete lane. Meanwhile leaders fly in private plane. Tax keep rising, wages stay low. Tell me where the struggling people supposed to go. Street vendor hustling from dawn till night, trying to survive this economic fight. Bills by liar every week. Hard-working people can barely eat. Poor man cry through the city streets. Barefoot youth with no food to eat. Promises fade after campaign done. Still the suffering continue on. Pension disappear too quick. Babylon system make the poor feel sick. Hospitals crowded and schools run down. Yet rich men still wear the crown. Single mother carrying heavy load, walking through life on a rocky road. Still she prays every night, asking for strength and guiding light. One day justice I go surely rise. Truth can never stay disguised. Tears of the poor Jah always see. Freedom someday must surely be. Poor man cry across the land, still searching for a helping hand, but hope remains inside the heart. That brighter days soon start. Oh yeah, Jah light shining. Jah light shining, Jah light shining, Jah light shining. Oh, Jah light shining through the stormy weather. Keep faith strong and we stand together. When darkness fall and the road get rough, King Rastafari give we strength enough. Mountains high but we still climb. Prayer and wisdom conquer hard time. Enemies try to break the spirit down, but righteous people still wear the crown. Candles glowing in the village night. Children singing songs of hope and light. Ancient scriptures guide the way. Love and mercy every day. Jah light shining in every soul, healing the the broken and making them whole. When the pressure rise and trouble near, faith in Jah, remove the fear. Hard times cannot stop the flame. Righteous people never shame. Elders teaching through every year, words of wisdom crystal clear. River flowing steady and calm, nature itself carry healing balm. Even in the darkest hour, Jah provide spiritual power. Hold firm, brethren, don't lose control. Jah fire living deep within the soul. Truth and righteousness never fail, even when shadows invade. Jah light shining forevermore, guiding the weak and helping the poor. Through every struggle, faith remains. Sunshine always follows rain. Sweet rubber double under moonlight skies. Girl, your smile shine brighter than sunrise. Bassline rocking while the lovers sway. Hold me close till break of day. Red gold earrings and a floral dress, roots man heart under sweet distress. Sound system booming by the seaside shore. Every little moment make me love you more. Cassette tape playing, old lovers rock, dancing slowly around the block. Stars above and cool night breeze. Your sweet love and put my soul at ease. Sweet rubber dub love feels so right. Slow wine dancing through the night. One embrace make troubles disappear. Your gentle voice I always wanna hear. Taxi ride through the Kingston rain, holding your hand ease my pain. No diamonds needed to impress your heart. True love stronger right from the start. Late night laughter under street light glow. Simple moments make the feeling grow. Old school romance never grow cold. Real love story worth more than gold. Rubber dub rhythm forever sweet. Two hearts moving to the reggae beat. Love and music side by side, like moonlight dancing pon the tide. Sweet rubber dub love, love tonight. Everything feeling so right. Bassline carry we far away till the rising of another day. Oh, 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 oh. Nyabinghi drums echo through the valley. Satta morning, praise your name. Sunrise fire forever remain. Chant and prayer rising high. Holy smoke floating in the sky. Nyabinghi drums calling loud. Rasta children standing proud. Golden sunlight touch the land. Jah protection over every man. Birds sing softly by the cedar tree. Nature moving spiritually free. Elders gather for the sacred chant. Wisdom stronger than oppression grant. Cold dew resting pon the grass at dawn. Another righteous day is born. Tambourine shake with ancient grace. Peace and love in every place. Mountain breeze through the valley side. River water flowing with pride. Lion spirit moving through the hills. Meditation calm the troubled wills. Satta morning, holy vibration. Roots and culture healing the nation. Burning fire through the early years. Giving thanks and endless praise. Conscious people unite as one. Greeting Jah with the rising sun. Through every struggle, faith stays strong. Nyabinghi carry the sacred song. Children laughing by the riverside. Village elders filled with pride. Ancient stories pass along, teaching youth where them belong. Bongo drum echo through the plain, washing away spiritual pain. Every heartbeat moving time, like poetry inside the rhyme. Herbal steam and morning tea. Simple life, spiritually free. No rich palace needed to survive. Child love alone keeps souls alive. Morning meditation cleanse the soul. Rastaman spirit forever old. Babylon eyes cannot compete with roots and culture. So complete sacred fire continue blaze through all the dark and stressful days. Satta morning shining bright, guiding people toward the light. Nyabinghi Jah forever strong. Jah music carry on and on. From ancient kingdoms to modern streets, black history forever complete. Crown of wisdom upon we head. Marcus teaching still widespread. Stand up proud and know your worth. Children of a mighty birth. Teach the youth where them coming from. Before slavery and kingdom done. Gold and wisdom from the motherland. Civilizations built by African hands. Timbuktu knowledge and royal throne. History deeper than them ever shown. Warriors strong with dignity, building nations across the sea. Babylon try to erase the truth, confuse the minds of the struggling youth. But ancient spirit never disappear. African greatness still living here. Bloodline of kings rise again, breaking free from mental chains. From Ethiopia to Kingston town, royal blood still wear the crown. Lift your head and walk upright. Melanin glowing in the sunlight. Strength and pride inside the soul. That is what make the people whole. La 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 la. Yeah, la 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 la. Da 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 da. Yeah, da 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 da. Marcus words still ring today. Lift your head and find your way. No more shame in the melanin skin. True revolution start within. Ancestors fought through blood and pain, so future generations could rise again. From plantation fields to city block, still we standing like solid rock. Drums of freedom beating loud, calling every youth from the crowd. Know yourself and know your roots, true stronger than expensive suits. Remember the root and honor the past. Strong foundation forever last. No matter where the people roam, Africa forever home. Kings and queens still rise today. No system can take that away. No, na 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 na. Yeah, na na na. Bloodline of kings forever reign. Spirit stronger than suffering and pain. African pride forever live. Love and wisdom Jah give. Oh I, oh I, oh I, oh I. No more war tonight, let the children sleep. Too many mothers left alone to eat. Put down the weapons and all unity die. Humanity searching for peace tonight. No more bombs in the dark world sky. Too many innocent people die. One love message shining bright. Let there be peace tonight. Bombs falling while the leaders dying. Profit made from frontline crime. Soldiers marching with fearful eyes. Not the innocent soul dies. Smoke and fire cover the street. Families running with weary feet. Children crying in a refugee line. Tell me how this suffering fine. Rich men talking from secure place, while poor man fears the deadly chase. Still the world keep repeating pain again and again and again. No more war tonight across the earth. Every human life have worth. Raise the flag of unity. Love alone can satisfy. No more hatred, no more greed. Too much bloodshed from human need. Let the healing finally start. Peace and love inside the heart. Across the oceans pain remain. Every nation feel the strain. Still the people cry for peace, praying someday wars will cease. Young men drafted for political games. History repeating different names. Mothers praying through sleepless night, hoping sons return alive and right. Church bells ringing, mourn for some. Another coffin in the ground. Yet humanity still refuse. Learn how much more must the world burn. Love stronger than the hate them spread. Peaceful future lies ahead. If the people unite as one, another brighter day must come. No politician can divide the soul when love and truth take control. No more war tonight. Hey, 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 hey. War tonight. Hear the cry. Hey, hey. War tonight. Let the white dove fill the sky. War tonight. Ooh. Peace and justice hand in hand, healing every troubled land. Yeah. African sunrise glowing bright again. in the hearts of forgotten men. From Kingston streets to Ethiopian skies. Oh, one black nation forever rise.
Golden morning touch the land.
Strength and pride in every hand.
Ancient spirit never die.
Africa rising to the sky. Oh, drums echo deep through the savannah plain. Ancient spirit calling again. Lion roar under golden light. Freedom songs through the peaceful night. Diaspora children searching truth, trying to reconnect with roots. History buried for many years, still surviving through blood and tears. Village fire burning slow, teaching what the elders know. Mountains high and rivers wide, Africa stand with endless pride. African sunrise lead the way, brighter future starting today. Black star shining through the night, guiding people toward the light. Cultural pride forever strong, carried through each reggae song. From the continent to overseas, one love flowing through the breeze. Diaspora children finding the way, reconnecting every day. Pride and culture never die. Roots reach deep and touch the sky. Ancient kingdoms paved the road. Oh, wisdom carried every load. Despite the suffering and oppression chain, African people rise again. Yeah. Youth them dancing to the drum, knowing where them spirit from. Every heartbeat, every chant, carry strength no force can grant it. Africa lives inside the soul. That sacred connection make we whole. No matter where the people stay, motherland still guide the way. Sunrise glowing red and gold, future bright and brave and bold. African sunrise, oh, forever shine. Hey, blessing every generation line. Roots and culture never fade. Jah kingdom already made. Heavy heart, long road, but I hear it. Freedom train is coming. Heart heavy like morning rain, smiling outside but inside pain. Love turned puzzle, hard to read. Too many words but none we need. Relationship caught in a stormy tide. Two souls drifting side by side. Used to be fire, used to be flame. Now only echo calling name. Confusion walk like shadow near, whispering doubt inside the ear. Lost in thoughts I can't explain, searching for peace through all this strain. Freedom train coming down the line, blow that whistle right on time. Even when heart feel broken, torn, hope still rise with every dawn. Freedom train don't pass me by, I need that chance to heal and try. From sorrow road to brighter day, I'm stepping on. silent in a midnight room. Love feel like a fading tune. What we had was real once before, but now we knock on a closing door. Still I hold on faith inside, even when pride and pain collide. Every ending bring new start, even when it break the heart. Life no straight, it twist and bend. Some journeys break, but still they mend. So I breathe through broken dreams. Life ain't always what it seems. Don't give up, don't let go. Even rivers change their flow. Pain will pass, love may heal. Truth is something you still can feel. Just hold your ground, freedom train is coming round. You don't ask perfect, don't ask old, just a willing heart and a tired soul. Step inside when the bell ring loud, leave behind the heavy cloud. Every tear will find release, every heart will find its peace. Freedom train coming down the line, blow that whistle right on time. Even when heart feel broken, torn, hope still rise with every dawn. Freedom train, don't pass me by. I need that chance to heal and try. From sorrow road to brighter day, I'm stepping on. I'm on my way. Love hurt, but healing is real. And freedom always finds the ones who keep walking.